Hi friends, today we are going to count to 5 and put this cool number puzzle together. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's start with the number 1. Let's get the shape that is green and has one piece. Which one is green and has one piece? Great job. Here it is. It's a green leaf. Let's put the green leaf in the number 1 spot. Excellent. Let's find the pieces to number 2. It looks like it's a heart shape. Can you find the 2 pieces that look like a heart? Great job. There they are. What color is our heart? It is red with blue dots. Let's take the 2 pieces and put them in the heart. 1, 2. 2 pieces go in the number 2 spot, and it created a heart. Great job. Let's move on to the number 3. The 3 is a red 3. Look at the number 3. Can you guys find the yellow honeycombs? Great. There they are. Let's put the 3 pieces in the number 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 puzzle pieces that are yellow. A yellow honeycomb. Great job, guys. Let's move on to the number 4. Can you guys say number 4? Let's count to 4 together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Let's get the pink pieces that have 4 pieces and put them in the number 4 puzzle piece into the number 4 spot. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's our last puzzle piece to our butterfly. Let's count to 4 together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. You guys are doing excellent. Let's move to the next. Number 5. The number 5 is a shape of a star. Can you guys find the 5 blue pieces that go make a blue star? You're right. There they are. Let's put the 5 puzzle pieces into the blue star spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have a blue star, a pink butterfly, yellow honeycomb, a red heart, and a blue leaf. Let's count how many shapes we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. Let's count to 5 on our hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 fingers on one hand. Great job. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And we'll see you next time. Bye, friends.